In this video, let me show you how to level up fast in Archero 2. Want to level up fast in Archero 2? First, let's open the Archero 2 app in our mobile device. Next, make sure you are logged in your desired account. Now, the main way to gain XP is by playing stages using energy. The more levels you play and complete, the more XP you can earn. Even if you don't beat the stage, you'll still get some XP, but finishing levels gives the highest amount. Next, hunts generate XP automatically over time, so don't waste them when they're full. Quick hunts are another great way. Just use unused energy to get instant XP with a single tap. Watching ads can also give XP, but it's up to you if it's worth the time. These are the fastest ways to level up in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.